Hi there! So I've seen these anti-mascara looks going around. I think Divina Muse started this trend and she did a lot of looks with just mascara ones. And I want to try it out today. I want to try this particular look, which I'm going to insert right here. This is her, this is the original creator. I'm going to link her Instagram down below in case you want to check her out. She is very talented, very creative, so I recommend you do that. Really simple, hopefully. I have here the Big by Definition mascara from Sephora Collection. It's a mascara that I don't like that much, so I'm going to use it for looks like this, I guess. The wand is pretty similar to the one she was using, so just a classic wand, not too thick at the top. And hopefully this will work, so let's get into it. So I will create that graphic liner shape, but I want to make sure that this doesn't have that much product on it. I don't know what to expect, I'm a little bit nervous, but let's see. Oh, okay. I'm guessing this will be like pretty tricky to remove, but we'll see tonight. Here's the tricky part, my crease. I'm not breathing. But this is not that hard, you just gotta be careful not to smudge it everywhere, even though I feel like it's supposed to be a messy look, so if you smudge it a little bit, I don't think it matters that much. I'm gonna try to extend this a little bit. I don't have much product on the wand at the moment, so I'm just gonna do some fading here. Why not? You know, this look kind of reminds me of that, I think when you go to the psychiatrist, I don't know, I've seen it in movies and they show you pictures of stuff, like abstract stuff, and they ask you what do you see. I feel like this reminds me of that. But I love it. I actually love it. I think I want to make this line part a little bit thicker just so it matches my crease. So let's add a little bit more underneath there. This is actually so beautiful. I want to try more, like more styles. But for today I'm going to leave it like this because I love how it looks. Let me just apply the same mascara since I have it here. This is not horrible, but I feel like the formula is a little bit too wet, a little bit too liquidy. I'm so happy that I've tried this. Wow. It's just so edgy and different. And it's so easy to achieve too. If you have, I think you just need this kind of a wand. So for example, that the Too Faced mascaras, the Better Than Sex and the Damn Girl mascara, I think those are a little bit too big for this look, but this one, that it's a little bit thinner at the end, I feel like this is the perfect one for this kind of looks. For this look in particular. Obviously she does all sorts of different looks with mascara, and I think I want to try more. So this is the look. I finished it up with a glossy nude lip and I really love how it came out. I think it's very creative. I love her idea of just applying mascara on your lids. I can't not think about the fact that if you're getting ready one day and you're smudging mascara all over your lids, if you were in a hurry, you can do something like this and just apply mascara all over. It's just a thought. Obviously a joke, or not, depending on what you want. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know if you will try out this technique, and make sure to check out Divina Muse as well. I wish you have a very beautiful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!